Hi, I'm Marcus Commodore, Chief of the Data Science and Artificial Intelligence Engineering Division here at the JAIC. Let's talk through the fourth step of your AI adoption journey, technology scouting. Tech scouting looks different for each organization depending on their needs. There's no prepackaged cookie-cutter way of completing it. However, one of the most common ways is to organize research into buckets based on technology type. AI isn't a standard technology, so within your market research, you might have a bucket for computer vision, one for natural language processing, another for full motion video, and more. Another method might involve sorting by organization. Regardless of how you do it, tech scouting is important because it enables you to save money as you find or build technology to suit your needs. Industry, academia, and other DoD components, these are all places making significant investments in AI technology, and they may have already created the solution or part of the solution for your problem. By using technology scouting, you can stay on top of industry trends and current products, even with the immense rate of change in the field of AI, taking advantage of the areas other people have already invested in. Here at the JAIC, we operate dozens of projects and have worked with many AI vendors. We have contacts, information, and an understanding of the AI ecosystem. We also understand what it's like to be a customer searching for the right vendor solution and know the nuances of AI acquisition and policy that go with that. We'll work with you to share our knowledge and find what works for you.